Good night, my name is Fray Alonso Perez. In my present stick for on the start and the equations. Honest to negotiation biotechnical products, the license of the branded asset is for lines commercialization. This behavior might be due the voodoo fab in the pharmaceutical and veterinary industry. It is a prostige of the producers on marketing. Company that differentiates the products rather than the brands. Difficulty in controlling the original or the artist might be due for intervention of the body that granted the license. The technical transfer negotiation is the complex negotiation process in which time transfer the scope of the technical practice and technical assistance, and without payment of the value technology must be will definitely take in the account in the fulfillment goals set for each stage of transfer. Though having now information collection identification for the technically managed in the implemented of evaluation methods, pre-commercial payments, the risks, and entry member willing to take on projects demonstrates his interest in this said finance the pending stage of the products developed. Solid royalties are indefinite and gross or net sales. In addition, on the stage of information is incorrect due to invalid supplement related to negotiation must grace in the know behind allied about the cost, the variance of the currency in the country. Definition manufacturing contract. This contract is the one through which on trade or industrialist has the need to sales capacity another company, another industrialist, and here they service overcome on the problems than the stage of the production process stage. Advance might be less specific. The risk is the David taking advice of the economies of scale. Recommendation. Rice works among company or technical on products on document information on knowledge to sortize and form and recognize along as it is handy and money consistent with its protection with industrial profile or company. Adopt a strategy to allow with minimums and parties change the transmit the evaluate technology and virtues with the risk take appropriate mechanisms that allow utility companies to carry out pertinent and effective monitoring of the nation states or in the order on the have economic laws and find concrete alternatives for agreements and not to present plain blocks. Thank you.